Okay, here we go. Here's Larry's Cards 2010 Certified Football Box Break number 2. Here's a list of all the teams. Not all of them sold this time, so I've gotten quite a few of the teams myself, which is okay. Hopefully I'll sell better. I'm going to be doing other box breaks, so I'm not giving up. But anyway, y'all should know who your team is. I'll give you the link to this post. Here's the box we're breaking. Here is silver numbered 319790825. There's all the logos on the box. We're getting started opening this. 10 packs, 5 cards per pack. Checklist. Get all these in there. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Start right here. This one. I'm just going to run through these pretty quick. Zach Miller, Raiders. Mickey Schuler, Vikings. Staines Chacon, Vikings. Morose Jones, Drew, Jaguars. Jay Cutler, Bears. It's not a hot box. It doesn't look like it. Okay, here we go. Vincent Jackson. Dominique Franks for the Falcons. Autograph. Out of 250. Dwayne Bowe, Chiefs. Aaron Rodgers, Packers. Michael Jennings, Falcons. Darren Sproles, Chargers. Santana Moss, Redskins. We have a redemption. Freshman favorite, card number 283. I'll go back and look at that in a minute. Carson Palmer, Sidney Rice, David Gerard, Jaguars, Vikings, and Bengals. Chris Cooley, the Redskins. Certified potential, Dexter McCluster, out of 999. Brandon Lloyd, Broncos. Bears, Greg Olson. Adrian Peterson, Vikings. Jason Witten, Cowboys. Hines Ward, Steelers. Kellen Winslow, Buccaneers. We have a hit here. So Jerry Rice, out of 25, jersey. Fabrics of the game. Jerry Rice. 49ers. Good. Larry Fitzgerald, Cardinals. Arian Foster, Texans. Pierre Thomas, Saints. 5 more. Jerry Rice, 25. Josh Freeman, Buccaneers. Heath Miller, got another hit. Dallas Cowboys, Deion Sanders, out of 250. It's a jersey fabric of the game. No Sean Marino, Broncos, Tim Hightower, Cardinals, Bernard Berg, and Vikings. Zach Miller, the Raiders, got a mirror red. Greg Olsen for the Bears, numbered out of 250. Austin Coles, Kylie, the Colts. Marion Barber, Cowboys. Brandon Jacobs, the Giants. Deion Branch, Seahawks. Steve Smith, the Giants. Got another hit, 250. Todd Christensen, Jersey, Immortals. D'Angelo Williams, Panthers. Tony Romo, Cowboys. Ryan Grant, Packers. Got quite a few hits here. One autograph. Excuse me. John Carlson, Seahawks. Rashawn Mendenhall out of 25, a mirror gold, I guess that would be. Eli Manning, Giants. Ray Lewis, Ravens. Mike Thomas, Jaguars. Last pack. Here we go. Braylon Edwards, the Jets. Sean Lee, Cowboys. Kevin Walter, Texans. Fred Jackson, the Bills. Matt Forte, Bears. This, let's see. This is number 283. Freshman fabric. .283 will be Eric Berry. I'll have to see what team that goes to. I'm not familiar with that. Probably y'all know. Anyway, these will be going out. Thank you. There's number 283. Got this one out of 25. There. There's the jersey, Todd Christensen, out of 250. There's a Greg Olsen, out of 250. There's a Deion Sanders, out of 250. There's a Jerry Rice. Fell over. Jerry Rice, and then these two. Here's the autograph. Dominic Franks. Thank you.